And the race is on. Precious Metal 20 honor. Rushing up, Don Ezekiel down on the inside is Chase Charlie Moonraker. Don Ezekiel Moonraker, Precious Metal. Chase Charlie down on the inside on the Quadra side. Moving up in between runners, Power Gear. Perfect Eyes on the outside, Badrel Shuttler Treasure. Magic U alongside 20 honor. Dreaming again and Tramuros second last, and Speedy came running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Don Ezekiel, followed now by Chase Charlie. Rushing on the outside is Power Gear on the further outside, Moonbreaker. Shuttler's Treasure is running in P. Badrel as they race the last 500. Don Ezekiel, Chase Charlie, Moonraker on the further outside, making ground down on the inside, Shuttler's Treasure, Moonraker, Don Ezekiel in between runners, Shuttler's Treasure down on the inside, Don Ezekiel, Shuttler's Treasure, Moonraker, and still Don Ezekiel, Shuttler's Treasure is moving up by Badral Moonraker, and finally Shuttler's Treasure, Moonraker, Don Ezekiel, Dreaming again, close with 20 honor, and for your Super 6, number 9, Precious Metal.
Wait for ba?